So today I will show you a content repurpose agent I made by using a no code platform called Anaton. So what it does, it repurpose the content like someone gives the long text or long post like LinkedIn post or a blog. True, it will uh, summarize and then it will use SERP API to retrieve more information about that topic, and then it will create a short tweet or short post, and then it will save to the Google Sheets. So I show you a quick demo. Name will be and now it will go to AI agent, then AI agent use SERP API to retrieve more information and facts about that text or blog or content. Then it will give us the structured output, and then it will save the output to our Google Sheets. Here we have to build this, so it is also a beginner or basic agent, but today I have to explain you edit field note. So that's why I made this. If I explain raw only edit field note, so it will be difficult for you to understand. So I will teach you or explain you by making an agent. So here I create a canvas and I will give the name uh, content repurpose agent, and trigger will be formed because I want to explain you how you can use edit, what is edit note and how we use. So uh, I will add on form submission. So here uh, necessary is only a text, because we want only text. But for you explain to edit field note, I will retrieve name also. So here lo- either here I will say text, and it will be required, and second will be name, it will not be required. So I edit, and I edit my trigger, so I will execute. I will paste my text and name. So here we have completed and finished first step. So why we use edit field node, and what is edit field node? So basically edit field node is a basic and most important node, because it used for manipulating the data and renaming the data or filtering the data or modifying the data. So or remove filtering for, because sometimes we want only some things, and if we want to remove all the unnecessary data. So we can use edit field notes. Sometime we have receiving a lot of data from API or from webhook, but we only need a specific data. So here we will use edit field for filtering the data, removing unnecessary data. Like here this is uh, uh, four inputting are coming, four data set. But I if I like there is four, but sometime we when we are calling API or webhook, so it is 150 or 10 20, but we only need to retrieve one or two. Like here I only want to uh, I only want to pass this text to another for to another node. And I don't want to pass this node. So here we use for filtering. And sometime uh, uh, here in n10 sometime we use like Google Drive node. So Google Drive node, if we are uploading the file, so he want only the file that named is data, like here is the name is text. But sometime in Google Drive when we are uploading, so Google Drive node required only data. Your file name must be data. So here we use edit field for renaming the data. So hope you understand. Like here is name is text, but I want to change it to long text. Here is name is text, but I want to rename text to long text. It's name from long text. So here we can use, and sometime we use like I am also renaming the data and also filtering or removing unnecessary data. And I want to pass only this agent, this data. So what I do, I will select an I want to rename here, or a number boolean array we will discuss later. But let's say I want to change the name to text to from text to last uh, long text, and also want to remove unnecessary data or and filter only text and pass to text. So what I should do here, I want a drag first your name and second will be value. So now what will be happen, so it will remove on unnecessary data and pass only what the data that I want and that we want, and also the rename the name. So I will execute. So now you can see here is the name is text, but here is the name is long text, and here we receive four data, but here we receive only one data. Here is the, here we use edit field for renaming, for filtering and removing unnecessary data and set dynamically data. So here we have, I have explained edit field node, hope you understand. So we have received our text. So next step is to add AI agent node that will read our text, and then go to use SERP API to retrieve more information about our text, and then it will uh, uh, convert the text into short post. So I will add AI agent node. So here we want to define like long text, and I will write this, and I also require a specific format, and here I will set the system prompt. So here is my system prompt. I will copy it and then I will paste here. So in system prompt, I have already told you, in system prompt we explain what AI agent is and who AI agent is and what work AI agent does, and or the information we want. So here I say you are a content repurposed agent designed to transform long paragraph or articles, and your goal is to just to shorten not just but repurpose and enhance, and you have access like we have SERP API. So here I your core task, understand, research and repurpose and optimize, and then output format this. So I will copy and I will add to, first I will add open chat model, and then I will tool parser. So I want to show you one thing. Here you can see I am requesting original paragraph, repurpose paragraph, short summary, enhance post, new insights. It is for explaining you in this after AI note. I will also one I will show you one more example to use that what I am will using AI edit field, and you can use so here. But here I have added my system prompt, but I have to give the SERP API because we want to retrieve current data of on the text. So here is one thing missing. I will copy it. Must, it is must if you are giving the access to AI agent node and you want that AI agent will use, so you have must uh, uh, tag the name and say this is tool name, and you have to use for this purpose. So I changed the name, and here if you do not do this, so it will not work or successfully. And I change 100 to 10 to 20 words. You can choose other, but I only want 20, 10 to 20 words post. So I will execute this. So here it has give us our output. Now I said you I will show you one more example of using edit field. So now you can see here is he gives us original paragraph that we give, and repurpose short summary, enhance post and new insights. So there is five data, but uh, we only want enhance post because we don't need original paragraph, because we are giving the original paragraph. So why we don't we need original paragraph? Or short summary because we want only enhanced post when we have enhanced post, so why we need short summary? Or new insights, why we don't need? So here we have five data, but we only want to pass enhance post. So I will here we will use edit field because we want to remove unnecessary data and only pass one data. So here I will drag this, and also I will change the name enhance post to new post. So now what will happen? It will only retrieve desired selected text and will remove unnecessary data. So now you can see it remove unnecessary data and only passed desired data. And it also changed the name of the data. So we have successfully created our short summary. So we have to first I saved it, and we have to upload to Google Sheets. You can select add try Slack or another, but we will go further, and I will select my sheet. And now you can see it is more flexible. You don't when you see here it's a 5 data, you see who is where is enhanced post, but here you can see there is only one, and fresh and easy to see and clean data, not messy. So I will do this and I will execute. Now we have successfully sent our data to Google Sheets. So this is a mini tutorial. In next videos I think this is our last video of basic series. In next videos we will go more in depth, so stay with me. Thank you.